Hi guys, you should be on latitude and longitude, relative and absolute location practice. So your screen kind of looks like this, except for this video is not there. But I'm going to go over kind of what you are going to need to do today. So on here, you're going to review relative location and practice using absolute location. So just to review relative location, remember that is when you are locating something and you are going by what it is and where it is in relation to something else. So, for example, if I am going to describe where Perry Meridian High School is, I could say that it's across the street from Perry Meridian Middle School. You're using it in relation to where the middle school is. Or Perry Meridian Middle School is next to Speedway gas station. Those would be examples of relative location. Now today you're going to review your continents and oceans one more time, and then you are going to practice using latitude and longitude. So on here, when you're practicing your continents and oceans, you are going to practice it at least one time. You can practice it more if you'd like, but then you're going to write down your score or scores. When you are done, you will need that for the exit ticket, so just kind of keep it off to the side. When you click on this link, it is going to take you to a new website that looks like this. Now it should take you to the Continents and Oceans quiz online. For this, what you have to do, the numbers are up here on the map. You are going to come down here at the bottom, and it's asking you right here for number 3. So I would have to look up here. On here, number 3 is Europe. So I would just use the down arrow, find the one I want, put Europe, and continue on through them all. Once you are done, you click the little check button and it will tell you how you did and give you your percentage. That is what you will write down, and you will need that for the exit ticket today. So that's your first activity. Your second activity, or third really, because you've watched the video, number 1. 2, you've done the continents and oceans review. 3, you're going to go to the following website and practice using latitude and longitude. You're going to play the game for about 5 to 10 minutes or until you have 0 points. You're going to write down your points at the end and how many flags you have when you are done. The flags thing will make sense here in just a little bit. You're going to need that and those things for your exit ticket also. So when you click on your link, you are coming back to this website. It's just a different game. So this is Coordinates Online game. What you have to do is you're going to learn latitude and longitude while learning the locations and names of some of the world nations or countries. First, you're going to be prompted to find the latitude coordinate. Once the latitude coordinate is found, the game locks the latitude position and the longitude lines animate onto the map. Then you will be prompted to find a point of longitude. If the clicked coordinates are close enough to the actual coordinates that they occur in the same nation, the student will have the opportunity to guess the name of the nation. If correct, students earn the flag of the nation that appears in the flags panel. You also have 100 coordinate points to work with. If the actual coordinate is 95 degrees west and you choose 90 degrees, you will lose 5 coordinate points, reducing that total to, for example, 95. The game ends when the student has no coordinate points left. So what I'm asking you to do is either just play for 5 to 10 minutes, get some practice in, or until you run out of points. That could either be before 5 to 10 minutes, or it may take longer. That's why I'm just saying 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just going to give you an example of what this looks like. You're going to hit play. My coordinate points are right here. I start with 100. So it is asking me to click 73 degrees north. So I'm going to look over here. Here's my 0, my equator. All these are to the north. All these are to the south. So I'm going to have to estimate where 73 might be. So it's going to be somewhere in this general area, close to 75. So I'm going to click it. Oh, I was a little bit off. So I clicked 71 degrees north, and they took 2 points away from me. Now they want you to find the longitude, which is 29 degrees west. So I'm going to look up here at the top. Here's my 0. Here's my prime meridian. The numbers this way are to the east. The numbers this way are to the west. So now I have to try to estimate where 29 degrees west might be. And that's going to be as close as you can get to 30, really. So I'm going to click that. Oh, and it says I was 1 degree off, so it took another point away. I was close. But then you have the opportunity to guess what country that is. And that is Greenland. So I'm going to click Greenland. It tells me I was right. So I have my points up here at the top. I can show how many flags I got. I got Greenland right, so I have 1 flag so far. And I'm going to do one more example for you. So now it's asking me to click 5 degrees south. So now I have to go south here, and it's going to be kind of a third of the way between 0 and 15. I just have to guess. Oh, it tells me I was 1 off. I clicked 4 degrees. Now I have to click 94 degrees east. So now I have to go over this way and find where 94 might be. And that is going to be somewhere in this general area. And I was actually correct. Yay for me. And I'm supposed to try to decide what country that is. I'm going to say Indonesia. I believe I'm correct. Yes, I am. Helps to be the social studies teacher. So now it gives me a new one and I can keep going, but I can also check my flags. So I got both of those right. Now I think some of these countries are probably going to be way harder for you guys because you're not the social studies teacher. But just do your best and take a guess. You never know. You may be right. So I want you to go ahead, play this game for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get some latitude and longitude practice in. And when you are finished, write down your points and then write down how many flags you were able to get, if any at all. Okay? And then you're going to type that into your exit ticket at the very end, which is step 4. You'll be able to click a little next button down here and it'll take you to the exit ticket and you're just going to write in your answers there. So have fun. Mostly you're playing some games today. And we'll do some more latitude and longitude practice tomorrow. Have a great day.